Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one at a low cost, fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Uh-oh. There we go. And hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, sweet. This is coming from RENPHO. This is a oral irrigator. Portable, powerful stream, quiet design, 4 modes, 1 water Flosser, 5 jet tips, 1 charger, USB cable, storage bag, all the works in one little box. Pretty cool box. So this be a nice little gift to give somebody, housewarming gift or so. Stocking stuffer. It might be a good size. They got big stocking stuffers coming out. So definitely check these guys out. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And they'll ship this to you really fast. Here is a travel, just in case you go on the road. Once we start getting better. There we go. Come on out, Big Daddy. There we go. And she's out. Alright, USB time. Here is a cable. Just a standard one. Oh, this is a little bit different. Got the old school prongs. The plug. Or the adapter. USB adapter. Plug it in here. Like so. Bada boom. I think it should be charged good enough to use it for this video. Ooh. All the way up to 3 ml, 300 ml. Here's the front. Remove the sticker. Somehow. Here we go. Sticker is removed. I'm gonna need, I got something in here. Oh, come on. Alright, I'll just rip it. There's that. Pop it in. So there we go. I'm gonna fill it with water. Whoa. See, it'll tell you it's dry or do it yourself. Pulse, soft. That's a pretty cool size to take a road trip with, especially once, like I said, everything starts opening back up. Family travels, you could take this with you. Any conventions that are opening back up, stuff like that. This will be coming really handy. So you get, there's 5, Johnny 5, 1, 2, actually 4, and the 5th one's on it. So you get those, you get that, and I think, oh, this is where you plug it in. Bada boom. But like I said, it's got some juice, good enough for the video. Oh, just pop that off. Alright, I'll fill it up with water. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're in the bathroom, and we got the water filled. Oh jeez. Oh, there I am. Whoa. This thing is going. I think I got it backwards. Hold on one sec. Yep, I had it on backwards. There you go. Look at that shoot. And there's the soft mode. And there's the pulse. It got some action right there. There's treat yourself. That is full blast. Dang. Dude, like a good cleaner. Like a power washer. Oh, I already used up the water. There you guys go. Check them out. RENPHO. Right here on Amazon Prime. YouTube, be safe. Have a good night. See ya.